Hello everyone, welcome to ForSeller. In this video, we will guide you how to scrape Amazon products to publish to TikTok Shop. Search ForSeller Product Scraper and click Add to Chrome. Enter Amazon page. Open any Amazon products page. The following options will appear. If you click to the collection box, that means this product will scrape to ForSeller Scrape box first. After scrape successfully, you can choose Continue Scraping or View Scraped. Click View Scraped. Will directly turn to the scrape record page, and you can push those sightings to TikTok Shop single or batch. When pushing, you can select the TikTok platform and corresponding store. When the green bar is loaded, that means the listings are pushing successfully. Click Go to Publish to Store. Will turn to the TikTok draft page for editing and publishing. Click Edit in the product list to edit a single product. Also can select the listings in the blank grid and edit in batch. In the Edit page, you can fill the content you want to change or required for LEDs. Finally, click Save and Publish to TikTok Shop. If click Generate Store Draft, you can directly select the TikTok platform and store. After scraping successfully, you can choose to continue scraping or publishing the products. If you click Go to Publish, will automatically go to the editing page of the product. After the edit done, click Save and Publish to publish the product. Also, you can scrape in bulk. Go to the Listing tab and select the product scraper. Copy the Amazon products link to the scrape box for batching scraping. Click Scrape when the green bar loaded. Means scraping successfully. Click Push to Store. You can choose Push them to the TikTok Shop. After selecting, click Push to Store again. It will turn to the product editing page. The rest steps are the same as above to edit product page and publish to TikTok Shop. After the products publish successfully, you can find the products in the Publish section. That is the introduction of how to scrape Amazon products to publish to TikTok Shop. If you have any questions or suggestion for using it, please feel free to contact us. See you next time.